Hey everybody, happy Wednesday. This is August 30th, 2023. So today, it's not 3-4 years ago. Happy new school year if you just started the school year. If not, if you're like us, you're already in week 6, day 28. Skills this year are taking awesome detailed notes. They're saying the steps on their flip grids. They're doing the quizzes. They're teaching each other, which is really probably the most important. You want to explain or be able to explain how to do these problems to someone else. Because once you can do that, you have the standard mastered. So if you notice, this is question 29, Unit 1, 2023, 2024. So this is like a bonus problem for rounding. I noticed one of the trickiest standards, our most difficult, was rounding the past several years when I've been teaching 4th grade. So a little more practice will probably help, at least hopefully. Here we go, question 29. You need to round. As soon as you hear the word round, and I apologize when the video gets a little blurry. Remember, this is not high-tech stuff, just my smartphone on my desk. Always do the rounding mountain, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just write down, it stays the same, okay? Memorize this, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you add 1. And remember, you are always only looking at 2 digits. But make sure that you know the place value table, okay? And I'll demonstrate that in a moment. You need to round 9,242, so we have our number, to the nearest 10, 100, and 1,000. Wow, so this one's like 3 problems in one. So we're gonna do tens, hundreds, 1,000. Which answer below is correct for all 3 rounded numbers? So here we go. Here's how you do it, all 3. Write the number nice and big, 9,242. Here's the place value table. And you can go back to lessons 1 through 5 or questions 1 through 5. The rounding ones, you can go back to questions 11 through 15 for another review, okay? But this should sum it all up. So I did the place value table, which is PVT, and then let's go to tens first. So here we go. Here's the tens. I identify the correct place value. I look 1 digit to the right, I circle it. If it's a 1, 2, 3, or 4, it stays the same. So this goes to 9,240, okay? Tens. So in the end, these digits don't even matter. Okay, remember, rounding, you are focused on the 2 digits. The digit that you are rounding to, then 1 digit to the right. All right, let's see if that's over here. Okay, so it cannot be D, but it could be this one, could be this one, or this one. Let's go to the next one. Let's round to the nearest 100. So I'm going to draw a little line. Let's write down the number again. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. This doesn't even matter. If this helps you and you write it out and you put your finger over it, awesome. We identify the correct place, which is hundreds. We look 1 digit to the right. Once again, if it's a 1, 2, 3, or 4, it will stay the same. So I have seen some teachers and students do this. It's either going to 200 or it's going to 300. Or they can use a number line. Remember, you can round. You can do most math problems 3 or 4 different ways. Okay, so in the end, do what works best for you. Some kids just talk about this as money. Is $240 closer to $200 or $300? Well, it's 200. So now we have 9,200, and this is hundreds. So answer. Oh, this one has 9,300. So look, you're down to 2 choices, and almost always you get down to 2 choices. Okay, and let's do the last one. So I will move this up a little higher so you can see everything. We have 9,240 to the nearest 1,000. Thousands, I look 1 digit to the right. It's a 2, it stays the same. It goes to 9,000. Okay, this is thousands. As soon as students can take any number and round it to tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, you have rounding mastered. Okay? Correct answer, B. Okay, there it is. Practice up. Remember, go to Common Core Sheets and you can print off as many activities as possible for rounding. But if you can explain how to do this problem, 3 different place values, you have rounding mastered. Have a good year. Make sure you review your notes. Bye-bye.